Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today we are going to do something different, a question and answers video. These are real questions that you, the subscribers, have asked or that appears very frequently. So let us go straight into it, okay? So question 1. How long does it take to charge a smartwatch, and can I use any charger? Answer: not all the smartwatches support the same type of charging. The best option is to use the standard charger. Avoid fast chargers because they can damage the watch, especially if it is a low-end device. The ideal option is a charger of around 10 watts maximum. As for charging time, it usually takes between 1 to 2 hours. If I connect my smartwatch and it does not turn on after 10 minutes, should I be worried? It depends. If the watch has been discharged for a long time, for example weeks or a month, it is normal for it to take time to respond, So, however, if you were using it normally and suddenly it does not turn on, and you also notice that it gets hot, it is a bad sign. So it could be an internal failure for sure. Or a smartwatch is water resistant? The answer is no. Even if some say IP67 or IP68, that doesn't mean you should submerge them, especially with low-cost watches. This is not always reliable. My personal recommendation is do not put them in water. It is not worth the risk. Does my DH Pro use universal straps? The answer is no. This model uses a different system. It is not like Apple Watch style straps, so you need to make sure you buy straps that are especially compatible with this model. Can I use this smartwatch without internet or GPS? The answer is yes, you can use it. You do not need internet all the time. However, if you want features like calls or full synchronization, you need to connect it to your phone. Keep that in mind. This will also use more battery. Can I reply to messages from the watch? The answer is in most budget smartwatches, no. Usually you can only see notifications. Some advanced models allows replies, but that is not common, being honest with you. Give me a quick tip to save battery. Okay, my friend, sure, disable unnecessary feature is one of the steps that you must follow. Bluetooth, for example, raise to wake, vibration, flashlight, also reduce the screen on time. With this, you will notice a big difference. Is there any difference between a cheap smartwatch and an expensive one? The answer is yes, a big difference. More expensive models offers better battery accuracy, more features, better design, higher durability, and in many cases better real water resistance for sure. What features do you use the most on a smartwatch? Personally, notifications. I also like calories tracking, workout tracking, checking the weather, but if I have to choose one, definitely notifications. What is the most overrated feature? For me, customization. Yes, it looks nice, but at the end, what really matters are the actual features that the watch has. Why did my smartwatch stop working after charging? This usually happens with very cheap watches. It is a sign that the device is starting to fail, of course. Remember, these watches have a short lifespan. On the other hand, more expensive models include guarantee and better quality. And that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.